Hey guys, what up? So, got some mail today and I thought it would make for a good unboxing, an opening video, whatever you guys call it. So, we got this in the mail today. This is the Zunder by Delko and it is a drywall taping tool. And we got this, we got a couple big jobs coming up and I've never used one personally, but some of the guys have, and I thought it might be good to speed along. So we're going to open it up, take a look at what's inside, and it's not a review because I haven't used it. I guess I can update it once we do, but let's get into it. Nice. So here's the instructions. Oh, it comes with a free pencil. Alright, free pencil. Alright, like that. Real quick, before we continue, if you like the video, if you want to see more videos like this, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Leave me some comments if you know how to use this. If you've used this before, let me know what I'm getting myself into. And here's the main tool. So I'm guessing you can use it either right hand or left hand, whatever you are. You open. Get that one. Open it. Drywall tape goes back here, through here, I believe up through here, and then you pour your mud in here, and this is the, and then you just tape. Nice. I thought it'd be bigger, but that's good. Should seal so that you don't get a lot of dripping drywall joint compound. And this is the end for the corner. If you're going to do the inside corners, it'll bend it for you. So let me get this out of here. Alright, so this just slides onto here, what I'm guessing. That looks like it. Alright, boom. So on this one, it's for the regular. And then right here, this controls how much mud you're going to let out, how much joint compound. So set that base. And then if you want to do the other corner, if you want to do the inside, this is for the regular flat. And then for the inside 90-degree corner is that one. And this will go along your corners like this. So there you have it, guys. Pretty quick little setup, and you just put your roll of tape back here and it's ready to go. I will post the video once I use it. Alright, and here's the instructions. Alright guys, I'll let you guys know how it goes once we use it. I just was excited to get something in the mail. As always guys, thank you guys for checking out the channel, for taking the time. And if you like, hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot of DIY projects coming up. As you know, if you haven't seen the last video, we did a surprise. I revealed that we bought a house that we're going to be renovating. Me, my wife, and a couple of friends and family. So we're going to be doing that as a project, and we're going to be getting a lot of cool videos, a lot of different things going on. I think one of the first ones will probably be like a cedar garage door that we have to rebuild. So stick around if you like, hit that subscribe, let me know what you think, and as always, thank you guys. We'll see you guys next time.